then you're told about it at 2:15, so you know at this stage, as far as you're concerned, if Siún Ní Raghallaigh has sent this letter speaking of your disappointment, which is basically a telling off that she will be resigning. Yes?
Not yet, not at that stage. She just stated that the new news in that phone call was that she imagined she had told the former Secretary General that the role of the Remuneration Committee.
Okay.
So then there was a call after that. I think the Secretary General might have been in committee. So then when the Secretary General was back, we spoke to him in relation to it, and I think he rang, or the chair rang the Secretary General around 2:30, and she.
So the chair rang the Secretary General at 2:30.
Yeah, and she expressed to him her unhappiness at the prospect of receiving a letter from me, which would reflect my disappointment.
Right, so then it's 2:30, and you know if the letter is sent, as far as she's concerned, this is...
Which she was stating that she felt if I wrote a letter saying I was disappointed, that she would see that as a lack of confidence and she'd have to consider her position.
A lack of confidence.